TMS stands for transcranial magnetic stimulation. It's an FDA-approved treatment for major depression as well as obsessive compulsive disorder.
OCD, it's one of those disorders that can be really serious and severe, and people around you not necessarily know. For a long time now, it's been medications, your kind of antidepressant medications, as well as exposure therapy, a form of cognitive behavioral therapy. But oftentimes, even if they do work, there's side effects from the medications. The therapy is often super expensive. TMS has really been kind of another tool. It's not the only answer or the end all, but it's something that can kind of get people over the hump. So TMS is, we're using magnets to stimulate different circuits in the brain. We can increase their activity or decrease their activity where we know OCD or depression or these other illnesses sort of live. It's a lot more localized and targeted than, say, a medication that sort of causes changes everywhere. With TMS for OCD treatment, we're even asking the patients to sort of recall their symptoms and kind of trigger their symptoms so that we can stimulate the part of the brain where those symptoms live. And what we're finding is that that makes the treatment work even better.
So when I first came here, I couldn't shake anyone's hand. I was in really bad shape. And I started noticing improvement probably halfway through the treatment.
It felt like this was really something that was working.
So the BrainsWay TMS system is actually the most flexible TMS system at this point, meaning that now for the first time you can not only treat patients with major depression, you can also treat patients who do not respond to medication, who have OCD. This is a big step forward for our field.
The thing about deep TMS with BrainsWay is that it does go deeper than maybe traditional TMS. And with OCD, that's important because we know the parts of the brain that are involved in OCD and contribute to OCD are located oftentimes deeper.
What the patients and their families are telling us is they're getting huge gains in their quality of life, huge improvements in their relationships, and just overall lead satisfying lives.
I am pushing myself to do all these things. 2-3 months ago, I could barely do anything. But I highly recommend the BrainsWay treatment. It has given me my life back.